Okay children, next topic, that is exercise 3.5 word problems. See here, Ankit has 84 coins. He gave 26 of them to his friend. How many coins were left with Ankit? Here left is there, no children. What you have to do? Minus remaining left. This all will come under minus symbol only. Yes, 94 coins is there. Among 94 he given 26 of them to his friend. Means 94 minus 26. You have to do minus. Means you have to circle addition or subtraction. Yes, circle the subtraction. What number is there? 90 ones and tens. 94 minus how many he given to his friend? 26. Now small number onwards you cannot take away 6. What you have to do? Take borrow from the tens column. What it became? 14. Yes, 14 in the mind, again 6 in your fingers. 14 before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. One number given to the ones column. In tens column one number will be less. What is that number? 9 before number 8. 8 in the mind, 2 in your fingers. 8 before 7, 6. With the how many coins were left with Ankit? Means 68. Next one. It is also a word problem. We have to write solution. Yes, Rancha has 46 Indian stamps and 32 foreign stamps. With whom have Indian stamps? Rancha. 46 Indian stamps and 32 foreign stamps. Which stamp did she have more? Among these two numbers, 46 and 32, 46 Indian stamps and 32 foreign stamps. Which stamps did she have more? Means among these two numbers, which stamp she have more? Yes, Indian stamps she have more. And by how many? That one I will explain now. Tell the solution. Yes, now tell number of Indian stamps. Number of Indian stamps. How many? Is equal to 46. Yes, next one. Number of foreign stamps. Is equal to how many she have? 32. Yes. Which stamp did she have more? Among these two Indian stamps and foreign stamps, which stamp she have more? Yes, 46. Now do see here what you have to do. You have to do minus. Yes, 46 minus 32. Yes. In tens column what numbers are there? In ones column what numbers are there? 6 minus 2. 6 in the mind, 2 in your fingers. 6 before 5, 4. Yes. Again 4 in tens column what numbers are there? 4 in the mind and 3 in your fingers. 4 before 3, 2, 1. Yes, 14. See here. Which stamp did she have more? Among these two means you told that Indian stamps have more. By how many means 14. 14 is more. 14 is less than 46, no? By how many means 14. Yes, I think you understood this. Page number, next topic children. Same subtractions only, 55. Here you see this sum, I will read. There are 57 seats in a bus. People are sitting on 29 of them. How many seats are vacant? Yes, now tell the solution. Number of seats. In a bus. How many? Is equal to 57. people are sitting in that bus. How many? 29. Sitting how many? Is equal to 29. Yes, what you have to do? How many seats are vacant? Means you have to do plus or minus? Yes, minus. Or vacant means minus. You have to do minus these two numbers. Now arrange the numbers in ones and tens column. What is this first number? 57 minus 29. Yes, from small number onwards you cannot take away 9. I have to take borrow from the tens column. What it became? 17. Yes, 17 in the mind and 9 in your fingers. 17 before 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Yes, 8 you got. One number is given to the ones column. One number will be less here. 5 before number 4. 4 in the mind, 2 in your fingers. 4 before 3, 2. Total seats how many are remaining means 28. What? How many seats are vacant means seats vacant how many? How many is equal to 28. Yes, you do in your textbook. Next one, fourth one, that is there are 89 students in class 1 and 42 in class 2. Number of students in class 1, tell a solution. Number of students in class 1. How many are there? Yes, 89. Again in class 2, how many are there? 42. Number of students in class 2. How many are there in class 2? 42. Yes. Which class has more students? Among these class 1, 89 are there and class 2, 42 are there. Among these students, which class has more students? Is 89. That is in class 1, 89 students are there. By how many means? Now we have to do minus. We have to arrange these numbers in ones and tens column. First number 89 minus 42. In ones column 9 minus 2 it is there. 9 in the mind, 2 in your fingers. 9 before 8, 7. Again in tens column 8 minus 4. 8 in the mind, 4 in your fingers. 8 before 7, 6, 5, 4. By how many are means? 47. More students by how many means? By how many means? 40 is equal to 47. 47 is less than 89, no? That's why 89 is more than 47. In which class they have more students means 89. Okay, in textbook it is there sums. I will send the pic. We do as a homework.